Hello, I'm Eamon Brennan from True Finance and Property. I have an important update for Australian first home buyers. Effective today, significant changes to the first home buyer 5% deposit scheme have taken effect. Key changes include no longer any cap on the number of applicants. Scheme is now unlimited. Income limits have been removed, opening access to a broader range of first home buyers. Increased property price caps allowing more buyers to qualify in higher quality markets. To illustrate how these changes benefit you, here's a practical example in SA.
Okay, so here's the example that I'm going to share with you today. Now, here's a picture of the development that I have access to, the northern suburbs of Adelaide, from a very reputable builder. So if you'd like to find any more information about this product, please let me know. Okay, so here are the numbers. So we've got a total house and land package worth $612,500. Land purchase price being $275. Build contract being $337,500. Now, in regards to be able to qualify for the scheme, you need to have been able to show that you've got 5% genuine savings. So that will equate to $30,625. So we need to make sure that we can show that 5% before we even get the wheels in motion for this product. Now, the total government costs, you've got $198 for mortgage registration. There's no stamp duty because that's been waived on brand new properties and also house and land packages. So that saves you transfer of land, $2,688. Establishment fees and settlement fees for banks would be roughly $500. It might not even be that, but I just like to be a little bit more conservative. Legal fees and just some off chance fees that I'll put in there as a buffer of about $3,000. So that brings a total package to $618,886. Now, to be able to qualify for this, so you can go to 95% of the total contracted price with no lender's mortgage insurance. So that's saving you tens of thousands of dollars right off the bat. So that brings your loan to $581,875. You've got the government grants of $15,000, and by having the 5% genuine savings there as well, that of the $30,625. You're actually going to be left with $8,614 approximately. There are some fees and charges that I have had put in there as a buffer, so it could even be closer to $9,000 depending on when you purchase it. So it's a really good thing. So obviously this leftover money from your savings can help go towards paying rent if you're renting. It could even go to part of the interest cost while you're building. Or if you're living with mum and dad, it might just help out with paying some bills and some of the food that you're probably eating them out of house and home. So so if you need any more information in regards to this product, or if you know of anyone, please don't hesitate to contact me through Messenger or give me a call on 0414 473 699, and I'll look forward to helping you from there. So thanks very much. Have a good day.